Hello friends, I am Dr. M.L. Kalra, a physician from South Delhi. Today's topic of my video is very interesting and very hot topic, whether to consume alcohol while getting vaccinated for COVID. This is for my friends, for my patients and for my gathering, my audience to understand what are the facts about drinking and COVID vaccination. There has been so far no authentic published data on this topic. This is one thing. Secondly, there are some rumors about alcohol intake that one should stop drinking 2 days prior to and up to 2 weeks after the vaccination. So I visited a site called Verify, so which is to clear the doubts. So they say there is no authentic uh, data to say this. So it is not substantiated on facts that we should stop drinking 2 days before up to 2 weeks later. And I came across one study done on monkeys, which was related to another vaccine, not Covishield or COVID vaccine. But it was interesting to know that they did study on monkeys, three groups. One group was given no alcohol, another group was given a small amount of alcohol, and third one was given higher amount of alcohol. Interestingly, the group given small amount of alcohol found robust immune response. So I can't say that you must take alcohol while you are getting vaccinated. It's your own understanding. But there is a study. So these are all small studies. We can't base our uh, facts on small studies. Let me give you what is small, moderate, or heavy drinking. Small drinking, or say mild drinking, or healthy drinking, you can say, is the one which is not exceeding 14 units of alcohol per week for men and not exceeding 7 units of alcohol per week for women. And what is the unit? There is no unanimity, but majority agree that 8 grams or 10 ml of absolute alcohol is 1 unit, which amounts to 25 ml of scotch or a glass of wine. So this is what is the unit of alcohol. If we take more than 4 units at a time, that's not a healthy drinking. And if you exceed 6 units at a time, that amounts to a heavy drinking. And binge drinking or impulsive drinking, or I wish to call it a suicidal drinking, is a drinking without limit. One keeps on drinking till he can't drink more or there is no more drink available. So that is called binge. So binge drinking, heavy drinking, beyond 6 units at a time should be avoided at all cost in every situation. Forget about any vaccination. Coming to the healthy drinking, which majority, I suppose, the sane people, sane drinking, is not a contraindication for any vaccination, including COVID vaccination. For vaccination, what we need is a normal immune system. And normal immune system means our gut should be healthy, our liver should be healthy, and our immunity per se, including our T cells, the B cells, they all should be intact, they should be working normally. So those who are taking any immunosuppressants, they will not fare good while taking any immunization. And those who are given high dose of steroids, or those who are having malabsorption, those who are having uncontrolled diabetes, those who are having a stressful life condition, those who are having very poor diet, they will also not fare well for any immunization, including COVID. So, alcohol in small amount is not related to any bad effect on immunity. Our healthy gut, healthy liver, healthy immune cells, they are the must for our healthy response to immunity. And small amount of alcohol doesn't cause any harm to any of them. Of course, we have to avoid higher drinking. But if someone is not drinking at all, I think he is very lucky, he or she, and it's a good habit, it's a good lifestyle. But those who take healthy drinks only, they are also not so bad. So, decision is yours. I have given all my understanding. So, there is a saying, travel light if you must. So, I would say, drink light if you must. If you have to drink, limit yourself to not more than 2 units, not more than 50 ml of a scotch or 2 glasses of wine at a time. Thank you so much.